the award season comes in full bloom with star performances and mega-buck celebrations of the Hindi film industry, the year 2012 also comes up with a share of its controversies. Screen Awards 2012 has been creating a lot of buzz, but all not for the right reasons.
और वैसे भी जब शराफत के कपड़े उतरते हैं, सबसे ज्यादा मजा शरीफों को ही आता है.
And the new tidbit is about the spat between the jury members Sanjay Gupta and Kunal Kohli, who had a different outlook as far as the Best Film Award was concerned. According to sources, Sanjay Gupta had his heart set on The Dirty Picture.
फिल्में सिर्फ 3 चीजों की वजह से चलती हैं: एंटरटेनमेंट, एंटरटेनमेंट, एंटरटेनमेंट.
और मैं एंटरटेनमेंट हूँ.
But Kunal Kohli and some of the others were rooting for Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara.
तुम पैसों के लिए शादी कर सकोगे?
कितने पैसे?
1000 करोड़.
डेफिनेटली.
अगर बोरिंग हो तो?
अगर बैंक में 1000 करोड़ तो एंटरटेनमेंट के लिए बीवी की क्या जरूरत?
The decision making was impossible as both of them were hell-bent on their choices. So much so that Sanjay Gupta allegedly said that ZNMD was a rip-off from a Kevin Costner starrer 1985 film Fandango.
Innocent critters splashed on the highway alive!
A film about 5 just graduated friends on a road trip to discover their real paths in life.
Join 5 best friends on the road.
Are you crazy? Are you out of your mind? It'll work, Philip.
Doing all the quirky things from meeting strangers to trying out daredevil adventure sports.
It's a once-in-a-lifetime adventure.
Here's to us, by God! To us and privileges of you!
Where some will graduate into manhood.
Though the similarity only propels through the road trip with friends, the similarity between two films is close to a zero, as the basic context and the core of the films very different from each other.
And others will dive in head first.
Hey! Which one of you geeks grabbed the wrong shoe? Who's got my laundry?
Bollywood Hungama got to the root of this, and after watching the two films in question, we can clearly state that Sanjay Gupta's claims are invalid.
You are the most irresponsible person I have ever met.
Somebody had to be.
Are you mad?
Now, considering Sanjay Gupta joining hands with Balaji for his next project Shootout at Wadala, the insistence on Dirty Picture for Best Film can be explained. As the awards were given out, both Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara and The Dirty Picture won for the Best Film category, but even after being present for the ceremony, the team of ZNMD did not receive the award. Amidst all the ZNMD and Dirty Picture issue, we wondered did the jury of the Screen Awards even pay attention to the other films which could have easily been the contenders for the same category, like Stanley Ka Dabba and I Am Kalam, marking once again the hold and dominance of power equations in the industry.
छोटू को एक पहचान चाहिए, क्या आप देंगे?
The next big issue that could easily be questioned is the awards given for the negative role category, which never had a male and female demarcation before.
This time, I'm going to drink his blood.
But this year, the rule was broken and male award went to Prashant Narayanan for Murder 2.
काट के फेंक दिया उन सबको.
And the female award went to Priyanka Chopra for Saath Khoon Maaf. Which cannot be explained at all in all its award-worthy seriousness, a category which was specially devised to felicitate the actress, who was also nominated for the Best Actress award.
उस आदमी को अवार्ड देना चाहता हूँ जिसने सिल्क को अवार्ड देने का सोचा.
The person who comes under the microscopic glare for this would be the director and again jury member Kunal Kohli, who is working with the actress in his next film.
Jury award से jury का पता चलता है कि jury कैसे सोचती है. तो उसके लिए क्या लड़ाई झगड़ा तो हर साल होता है, कुछ नहीं कर सकते. मैं तो गालियां दे के थक जाता हूँ.
Major hits, misses and jokes on the awards will continue to amuse us this season.
And a good actor is?
Next being in line, the Filmfare Award nominations for the Best Actor, where Hrithik Roshan got in for Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara and both Abhay Deol and Farhan Akhtar got nominated under the Best Supporting Actor.
तुम इस द यूनिफॉर्म में द मेंटल लग रहे हो.
Let's go.
Even though Farhan had a meteor role with depth and character growth.
तुम्हारा नाम क्या है?
लैला.
दोस्त मुझे मजनू बुला.
But this unwraps yet again the hierarchy followed in this industry, where an actor is an actor and a star is a star. Bollywood Hungama News Network.